back, everyone. If you're wondering what to make for dinner this week, we have something we think it'll make your sweetheart smile.
I was wondering. That's what's cooking as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Thinking about staying home this Valentine's Day? Why not make a meal with love for your love? I've got an easy recipe, lemon butter chicken. They're gonna love it. Let's do it. For this, you're gonna need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, salt and pepper, some extra virgin olive oil, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, some garlic, a couple of lemons, and some parsley for garnish. I started with the chicken. I pounded my chicken first. It was a breast, and once it got pounded, I kind of sliced it in half to make more manageable pieces. And all I'm gonna do is dredge each piece in some flour. I put salt and pepper on the chicken already, by the way, and just add it to this hot pan. You may have to go in batches. All we're trying to do here is brown up the chicken a little. Don't worry about cooking it through. It's gonna finish off in the oven. Go ahead and give it a flip. So my chicken has some color on both sides now. So I'm gonna pull it off of here. My last two pieces of chicken got color on both sides. I wanna add a little more olive oil to this. I wanna add a couple of pats of butter. My heat is off because this pan is already hot enough. I'm gonna put in some minced garlic. Let that butter melt, let that garlic do its thing. And now, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Oh, this smells so good. And now, some actual lemon slices. Let them cook in that sauce a little bit. The secret to this is when you pull your chicken off, just turn the heat off. Because if not, the butter burns, the garlic burns, everything burns, and it's just too much. I flip my lemons, my sauce is reduced, smells amazing. Just gonna pour it over the top. And in the oven it goes. 350, probably about 15 minutes. I'll check it with my little meat thermometer to make sure all the chicken cooked through. So I had my chicken in the oven for about 20 minutes. Serve it up. Show them the love with a lemon butter chicken this Valentine's Day. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Neray, and happy Valentine's Day.
All right, for more info on this and other awesome recipes, check out our website. That's WSVN.com. And click on Entertainment and then click on Bite. And for the latest and greatest, all things culinary, go ahead and visit Belkys' Bite blog. That's also on our website.